Yeah, you should put the umbrella in front, like over it.
Yeah, that's more. That's true. That's smart.
Yeah, no,
Never thought of it that
Put a
way.
hat.
002.
Ah! Oh, wait, that was enough practice.
For all that good practice, you're real good. You're serving.
Good to know that the serve is not in your head.
That's get my serving and everything else good luck.
001.
Okay.
Is this good, Annie?
Yeah, pretty good. Thank you.
Wow.
Okay. 001. 101.
Yeah, Beanie, good job.
Why do you pretend
He only does good when he's not playing with me.
1, 2.
Don't do that. Let me do it again.
Doris, you want to take the winner?
Take the winner?
Yeah.
Sure. Sure. If they okay to entertain us.
What do you mean? Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it.
021.
Right? They will hit us. Right?
01.
Oh, 011.
Yeah,
I got hit so many times.
oh yeah. Every time before
Oh
we start
my
the game,
Lord.
I say no on the face. Make sure not on the face.
I'm
You guys gonna play again?
012.
I'm just gonna drill on my son.
Wow.
012.
Thank you.
You want to try third court? Can we play with you guys? Oh, it's open?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go play.
Who's playing? I'm gonna hit with him.
Okay. Go. We'll take the winner. How's that? Let's take the winner. Or actually, let's take the loser. Probably safer.
201.
That's what happened when you didn't expect it. You like you lose balance.
上次我住熊貓，
媽邊啊？深圳啊？
荃
啊，荃灣。
悦來酒店，
方便麵。
唔係近屋企啫嘛。
哦，
唔好嘅唔好住啊，I don't
點
like
解
it。？
好細。
I like and then I have your so old. I don't like it at all. But this close to my mom.
啊，
Yeah. And then but like this
因為我
one.
哋而家諗緊或者9月生女，
OK，幾時啊？
未定啦。9月。
我9月頭2個禮拜喺香港。
哦，OK，因為點解咧？9月I think first week 係咪我哋要去到雪茄皮嗰度，就諗住 after wedding，諗住 after the wedding，雪茄去香港。
我頭2個禮拜香港。
到兩日幾號啊？
我去到唔記得啦，好似16號啊。
16
定14定16號係㗎。
即係，不過我而家見到個香港連身份證可以用機會喺呢個咩？He's taking advantage of me。個咩地方？就成日突然間而家都唔出垃圾站嗰度咧，將軍澳。
哦，將軍澳。
將軍澳有個入境事務處，
啊，
就有嗰啲 machine 嘅嚇，
垃圾就好少。喺度填海啊，堆填區。
堆填區嘛，其實嗰度有個好似話唔知今年唔知3月份開，咁就唔需要預約，咁就去到 machine 度即係。
但係真係有人而家
冇啊！佢咁樣，我睇佢嗰啲介紹就就撳機啦嚇，攞做咩就可以攞護照得啦，特區護照咁啊攞身份證，咁啊身份證咁啊填啲 information，咁啊 scan 舊嗰個身份證，咁啊
即係全部 automatic。
我都先攞咗即係幫你 process，5日好似5日翻轉頭攞。
咁快5日？有快啲嘅。
咁啊整咗之後，咁啊你個舊身份證。
Okay, let's come
好
back.
似意思係咪啲舊身份證打窿定乜嘢？咁啊你攞翻出嚟，好似係咁樣。咁跟住有張 紙俾你，咁然後你就去睇幾錢，即係等嗌 number 啦，好似 DMV 咁嘅 H15號咁你譬如3個地睇，俾完錢之後佢俾人收條你，即係咁日後翻嚟攞啦，或者你委託嚟攞啦。咁然後呢個回鄉證都係有咁嘅 service 喎，都有用機撳喎。
哦，咁好啊，全部 self-service。
佢喺個咩中旅社唔知邊個 anyway 中旅社啦，大蚊嚟嘅。Hey, goodness！係咁啊 ，anyway 又係咁樣撳機啦，咁啊逼個舊嘅回鄉證底面，同埋呢個身份證。
你冇回鄉證咩？
我有過期啊，2年前過，咁就 anyway。
但係我換咗10年冇用。
anyway 咁就又係啦，篤你個舊證入去，打咗窿之後，咁你咁啊就係咁俾錢，唔知俾翻嚟攞。去攞嗰陣時咧，你嗰張單咧就去扭入個機，咁啊嘟咗之後，佢話咧你去另外嗰個機，譬如有10個嘅，第3號機嗰度，然後再 scan 你嗰個，你揾一張舊入去，咁啊佢就會出咗多成個新嘅俾你。
好方便喎！我咪認
Great one！
因為佢10點幾嚟。但係但係我有一樣嘢咧做，即係我譬如攞而家佢嗰個身份證咧，你點攞？即係原身份證係幾時舊身份證幾時新
Technically a point, but it's okay.
舊身份證
我以前
做 media
唔係，佢原來咧69年以後出世嗰啲咧就已經係 expire 咗嘅。
哦，
但69年之前啲身份證咧係到今年10月20幾號 expire。
你咩69年之後
出世。
Sorry, yeah, forgot about
即
the
係最新
jumping.
嗰啲，即係後生。
唔係，你一張舊嘅智能身份證，即係好似我舊嘅身份證。如果我係69年之後出世嘅咧，69年或者之後出世嘅咧，就已經 expire 咗。就 not valid。如果69年之前出世嘅人咧 ，still valid。Until October this year，即係分段。咁咧，Hey Christy，long time no see。Long time no see。
阿媽係咯，係媽。
Hey, long time no see, man. I'm so well. Right here. Yeah. Anyway. 舊嘅身份證嗱，如果係7年出世已經未嗰啲身份證嗰啲，嗰時佢話佢都收咗你。咁如果我I assume，因為我應該嚟講，基於呢個出生嘅人，應該應該係都。咁我係咪應該入境嘅香港身份證，佢唔應該收我咧？雖然而家係 processing 緊嘅，因為點解咧？用 machine 嘅時候你要掃張舊嘅 scan 啊嘛。如果你係69年嗰啲之前出世嗰啲，佢入去嗰陣時一啲咁佢收，即係入境嗰陣時佢收咗你，咁佢點去？即係佢一定變咗去 office 嗰度。
即係如果你係已經 invalid 嘅話咧，你係咪要用 passport 㗎？
當然入 passport 冇問題啦。
係啦。咁
This should play with you, Lane.
你講你
His morale's dropping. He needs his wife.
你攞邊卡嘅？
You had to move out.
咁但係唔係你都入
咁你香港咁你個身份證過期，我即係申請嘅。
I don't know，上次我入去我都唔知。
你上次去用咩？
我原先我入去佢就講 passport，跟住佢就問我啦，你有冇香港身份證啊？
唔係咩排啲意思先？
我排隊排
美國護照。
美國護照，因為我同佢哋一齊。啊唔係啊，嗰次
衰嘅。
係咩啊？啊唔係喎，我自己翻啊嗰次翻去工作係啦，係所以我自己我就排non-resident 嘅。咁但係佢都問我，佢見到我係從香港幫你香港，咁就問有冇香港身份證？有，都唔係話俾你睇咯，即係佢一定要嘅，咁佢未睇一睇先。
你
No, don't post that. Don't post that.